Good morning, everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru and TusharGlobalServices.com. Welcome all of you today on 27th December 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, if you remember in our yesterday's videos and live sessions, we have recommended that some recovery can be seen in Indian markets and in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and exactly things have been seen in the yesterday's session. Yesterday, the major international markets were closed because of the Christmas, and today, if we see, the Asian markets are showing positive move, and the American futures are also showing positive move, which is quite positive for the overall markets. And also, China have announced that there will be no quarantine for the people traveling to China. And since China is now adopting the zero COVID policy, therefore, some relief can be seen in the COVID related sell off. So, now whether this China's zero COVID policy will ultimately be helpful for the healthcare perspective or not, that is what we will come to know in future. But since we are concerned with the stock markets, capital markets and economies, therefore for the short term definitely it will be positive for the stock markets. And from last few days, if we see, then we can see that Nifty fell almost 700 points, and all the pharmaceuticals stocks were up and all other stocks went down. But yesterday the reverse has been seen. The pharma stocks are showing profit booking and other stocks are showing positive move. And this December have been a very roller coaster ride for the especially Nifty. And if we see in this December, the Nifty opened at around 18,500, then it went up till 18,900 and then fall to the levels of 17,800. So a roller coaster ride for the Nifty was there. Now if we see, the Nifty is trading above 18,000. And similarly with the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty is also showing a roller coaster ride, and yesterday the big short covering has been seen in especially Bank Nifty. And although yesterday the Indian markets have already shown significant upward movement, therefore some volatility and consolidation can be seen in Indian markets for today. But for the short term, again, the overall perspective of the market is quite positive, and some recovery can be seen in overall markets from the current levels. And the stocks which we have recommended in the yesterday's live session also, they are also quite up, and which includes Vedanta is up by another 1.5% today and is trading above 300 rupees. So I hope you liked our analysis. Also, you should go through a standard disclaimer that all this information, analysis and views are quite personal, and we will not be responsible for any profits or loss. All this information are purely for education, research and training purposes. And if you take any trade, you should consult your personal wisdom and your personal financial advisor before taking any trade. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis.